If you want to change the screen zoom on your Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Display. Now under the Display settings, just scroll down, and over here you will find the option of Screen Zoom. Now if you tap on Screen Zoom, from here you can change the screen zoom settings to whatever you want. Now, if you want to increase the screen zoom, just slide the slider to the right side, just like that. Now, after you do that, you will increase the screen zoom. Now, to decrease the screen zoom, just slide the slider to the left side. And as you can see, we have successfully decreased the screen zoom, just like that. And this is how you can change the screen zoom on the Galaxy Tab A9 or the A9 Plus 5G. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.